back to Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some banana nut bread. And for banana nut bread, of course, you're going to need some bananas. So I have bananas here, and every time they go right, I put them in the freezer just in case they last up to six weeks in the freezer. They get really ripe and ready for banana nut bread, banana cream pie, whatever you're going to use to cook with bananas. Right? Okay, so you're going to need 2 cups of flour, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and some nuts. So let's get started. So in my bowl, we are going to add my bananas, and they just squirt out just like this, right out of the package, stuff like that. They're so ripe and also super duper sweet. You need 4 bananas, 4 really ripe bananas to this. And I hope that this trick of putting them in the freezer really helps, because they make them so ripe and so sweet. Because you just can't use just any old type of banana. And it has to be ripe. You can put these in the oven for them to ripe up and sweeten. But why do all of that? And then, listen, you can take your whisk and smash this like this. You ain't got to do no whole lot of work. Look at that. Look at the banana. All smashed in a matter of seconds. All smashed up, all 4 of these beautiful bananas. Now let's add our sugars. Our banana, and this is so easy, and you're only going to need a whisk to make this. A whisk and a spatula. I thought I might have needed my fork, so I just took that out just in case, but look, I don't even need it. And creamed up so well already. We're going to take our melted butter, and when you melt your butter, make sure it cools down completely, just like I did. And get your spatula out with all that good butter. You only need a half a cup of melted butter, guys. Whisk it in. Look at this. Smells amazing already. Smell that banana. That ripe banana, when you put it in the freezer, gives it such a deep depth of flavor. So now let's add our eggs. You know, I'm not a stickler. Add all 3 of them same time. Bust that yolk. Get in there. It's all going to mix in really well. It's going to be amazing banana nut bread, guys. Alright, so our wet is done. Let's move to the dry. And when we come, hold on, just so I don't forget, let's get some vanilla into the batter. So like a tablespoon of vanilla, guys. I'm not shy with the vanilla when I bake, because the vanilla brings out such an amazing flavor in this. Alright, so all of that is mixed in. Bring on our 2 cups of flour, our cinnamon, nutmeg, our leavening, and our salt. Take this fork and just mix it. Ooh, that's alright, I just spilled a little bit. And here, and just get it all combined in there. Bring this back. Put it in a little bit at a time. stuff off of the counter. You just put in a little bit at a time. And kind of fold and scrape the sides. It's going to be amazing, guys. Look at that. It's going to be so much depth and flavor and banana flavor. Oh my goodness. You know what I forgot to do, but that's alright. I'm just going to pour it right in there. I normally just take the flour, put the nuts in there with the flour, mix it in. Now this would be the perfect time for you to add chocolate chips, raisins, cranberries, or whatever you wanted to add in here. I wouldn't suggest that, but here we are. And this is a half a cup of chopped nuts. Just gonna put that whole bag in there. There it is. Boom. We're done. Banana nut bread at its finest. So, off camera, I sprayed my pans with some non-stick spray. I really sprayed them. Got it in there really good. Okay. One pan down. Next one. Alright. Third one. It's going to be a little loaf. Mini loaf. Mini loaf. I should have just combined it and just only have two. So I think I'm going to do. Yeah. Combined it, I only have two. Usually only make two pans anyway. Right. So doggone delicious. Banana nut bread at its finest, guys. Give a little tap, let the air out. Give a little tap, let the air out. Alright, we're going to get this into a 350-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, and we'll be back. Alright now, so this is the finished product of my banana nut bread. So let's cut inside and see what we got. It's so soft. That is absolutely a moist piece of banana nut bread, guys. You can see the nuts in there. The nuts are evenly distributed through it, and it's so moist. Oh my goodness. Let's get some butter on there. Look at that. I like it warm. This is really good. Now guys, I tried this recipe out. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.